PROBA 2 is a part of the In-Orbit Technology Demonstration Program. Missions dedicated to the demonstration of innovative technologies. On board, 17 new technological developments and 4 scientific experiments. Demonstrating in orbit is the fastest way to test the new technologies which will be used for larger missions. For example, this star tracker on board will be used during the ESA Bepi Colombo mission to Mercury, as well as the Solar Orbiter mission.
On board, in fact, there are two types of star trackers. We have the one that is part of the control loop of the satellite, and this one is it's a more advanced generation. The one we use in PROBA 1 has more optical heads. It can go faster. It's more accurate. So you would be even able to see one person moving one floor up in Milan. You could see that from Norway.
The star tracker lets the satellite know its exact position. On board, there's also a high-precision GPS, a system that could be used in some years' time in commercial aircraft.
Okay, on board we have 2 GPS receivers, one which is a miniature one to demonstrate what we can do with microelectronics, and the other one which is a dual frequency, dual code GPS receiver, which allows to have a much better accuracy of the position that you get on board, so to better know the position of your spacecraft, correcting the ionospheric effect, for example.
2 special solar panels with solar flux concentrators supply electricity to the instruments and the main computer. In the future, this technology should increase the electrical power of the satellites.
On the spacecraft you have solar cells to collect the light from the sun and create energy on board. But you always need a lot of energy on the spacecraft to have all your hardware working, your radio, your instruments. So one idea, instead of having more cells to have more energy, because they are quite expensive, is to concentrate the sun on the cells. So what you have as an experiment on PROBA 2, you have mirrors around the cells, which then reflect the sun onto the cells, and you have more energy for the same amount of cells.
In this laboratory, scientists have developed a new type of battery. Their goal? More power for less mass.
In the case of PROBA 1 and 2, we have been the pioneers in using lithium-ion batteries. In fact, PROBA 1 has the longest living battery, lithium-ion battery in space. PROBA 2 includes a new type of cells. So these in-orbit demonstration missions are a very good vehicle to promote innovation in space.
If the capabilities of the 17 new technologies on PROBA 2 demonstrate their potential, they could be used in many future ESA missions.